आंध्र प्रदेश के वज़ीर आला चंद्रबाबू नायडू डावोस में मसरूफ़ हैं। रियासत में सरमायाकारों के लिए मुख्तलिफ कंपनियों के सीईओ से मुलाकात कर रहे हैं। इस मौके पर वज़ीर आला चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने कहा कि मैं एक बार फिर वज़ीर आज़म मोदी को डावोस के स्टेज पर एक बेहतरीन मरकज़ी टीम को भेजने पर मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। हमने इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में हिंदुस्तान को खूब प्रमोट किया है।
Functions, either receptions, all these things. Even afternoon we had India dialogue with all chief ministers, three of us. We have given right message to the people. And at the same time, our Aswiniji also is coordinating very well. I really appreciate you. This meeting, I never expected you are organizing like this. This is a good thing. At least all of us has to meet once, tell to the people what we are going to do. Again and again, we had wonderful time. Even we are all working how to attract investment, how to learn things, how world is moving, everything we understood. Accordingly, we are going to plan in future. Again and again, I'm really appreciating Honorable Prime Minister for sending one of the best team now, central team. Earlier, there used to come one or two ministers, but as a team, he has selected personally and sent to Davos to promote India. I came so many times.